You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this interesting word in English. For more fascinating vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more pronunciations. Let's break it down. British English and American English. Say it as empath. Empath. You know the noun empathy? Well, this is the verb. Stress on the first syllable. Empath. Empath. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.